Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Sheridan County in south-central North Dakota, north-central Burleigh County in south-central North Dakota, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Regan, or 19 miles northeast of Bismarck, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McCluskey, Goodrich, Regan, Denhoff, and Offer Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for south-central North Dakota.